The stacked trays of fertile eggs pass through a misting tunnel. A disinfectant fog surrounds the shells.
Temperature is stable at 25 Celsius.
Understood. Moving the next batch in and now.
These are the setters. The factory uses these machines to mimic the mother hen.
Day by day, within the sterile environment of the incubator, the embryo grows. The circulatory system.
After 18 days, the trays move through a candling machine. Bright lights shine through the shells. Transfer to hatcher. The viable eggs are carefully transferred from the setting trays to open hatching baskets. A close-up of a chick pecking at a shiny metal nipple. Water releases instantly. This closed system keeps the water clean.
A computerized controller on the wall displays temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels.
The Ross 308 chicken broilers have reached market weight, approximately 2.5 kilograms. They are calm.
The Plymouth Rock chicken carcasses pass through a hot water tank, or scalder. This loosens the feathers.
The clean Wyandotte chicken carcasses drop into a massive screw chiller tank filled with ice water. The core temperature must...
Cameras scan every passing Rhode Island red chicken carcass. Software detects bruises or broken wings.
Ground chicken meat is pressed into nugget shapes. They travel on a wire belt. This shows how the factory utilizes trimmings to create popular products.
Back at the factory, we see the wastewater treatment plant. Water used to clean the chicken is purified before release. From the incubator to the factory farm, we closely monitor the growth of our Plymouth Rock chickens before they are processed and packaged fresh.
The production of food for the world continues 24/7.